In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving emails from Facebook. For some reasons, you want to stop receiving any form of emails from Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to get it done, both on your phone and desktop. On your phone, navigate to your Play Store and make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Then proceed to open. On your Facebook timeline, navigate to the top right corner and click on this profile icon. Then proceed to scroll down till you locate settings and privacy. Then you need to click on settings. On this interface, scroll down a bit and locate preference. Under preference, you see notifications. If for any reason this notifications location has changed, you can proceed to click on this search button, and in the search box, type notification and pick the one with this best match and click it. This will land us onto the same interface. Then we have to scroll down to the last item till we see where you receive notification and pick the one with this best match email and click it. Then under your email, we have the email frequency. So you can proceed to click on email frequency. Here you have the option to pick on all notifications except the ones you turn off, or you can also pick the suggested, which is notifications we think you may be interested in except the ones you turn off, or you can even proceed to select only notifications about your account, security, privacy, and pages you manage. In our case, if you want to stop receiving email from Facebook, we have to proceed to select all notifications except the ones you turn off. So you have a flexibility to choose any option that you want to select. Beyond that, you can proceed to click here and manually turn off those notifications that you don't want. For instance, if you don't want notification about your comments or tags, reminder, you can scroll down through the list and toggle off those that you don't want to receive notifications. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.